Hello class, my name is Greg Listopad, and the book that I read was Everything is Miscellaneous, The Power of the New Digital Disorder by David Weinberger, author of the Clue Train Manifesto. The book is about information, how we store information, how we process information, how we get information, and the power of information in our lives. And he begins by talking about how information has been organized for the last couple thousand years. We, as humans, are obsessed with defining, categorizing, and organizing information as our way of bringing some order to the chaotic world we live in. Weinberger explores our obsession with information from Plato and Aristotle to our modern-day digital explosion and information. While Weinberger explores many different ideas in this book, he frames this exploration by defining three orders of organizing information: first order, second order, and third order of organization, which become more complex as the orders go on. Weinberger defines first-order organization as being of the physical world, namely manipulating physical objects and organizing them, such as a caveman taking rocks and organizing them into piles to use later in building his home or for any other purpose he could name. As an example, he mentions Plato's joints of nature, which was an idea posited by Plato to organize various animals by cutting up each kind according to species along the natural joints that run between species. Second order of organization is the use of metadata to organize and categorize physical objects, like library card catalogs. This is still limited by physical constraints, so it's not the most ideal, but it's better than first order organization. As an example, Weinberger uses Aristotle's trees of knowledge, which is basically like the order of species, kingdom, genus that we use in biology today. It's a very similar concept that was developed very long ago and is still used today. Third order of organization is the world we live in today. As we move from the physical to the digital, organizing information becomes freed from physical constraints, allowing us to simultaneously define, categorize, and organize information into a million different taxonomies. The third order of organization, as the most modern, is the best method of organizing information we have available to us because it ignores the physical constraints of having to store information in book form, catalog form, or any combination of the two. The problem, according to Weinberger, has always been one of space. Two things cannot occupy the same space at the same time. But this problem is circumvented by the use of computers because it allows you to store massive amounts of information onto one hard drive, which we could never do previously in our history. The other problem is one of complexity. Some things cannot be neatly defined and put into one category, such as this platypus. It would be part of several groups, but it could only be stored in one place physically. Again, that problem is circumvented by the use of computers. The solution to this problem is called tagging. Taking a picture or an item and tagging it with any sort of definition that could be applied to it, and then searching through those definitions help you find items that are multiple taxonomies at the same time. Tagging is the future of information gathering because it allows you to take any item you need and be able to find it by cross-listing its various attributes, where before you would have had to look through a catalog that only has one attribute at a time. According to Weinberger, this means that while first and second order organization are still important, the two will diminish gradually as third order organization becomes easier, more cost-effective, and overall better than the original two orders of organization. The consequences of this, however, can both be good and bad, as one way or another, it will revolutionize the way that we see the world and the way that we interact with information available to us on the internet, on television, or any other form of media that we use. No one is sure whether this will mean that we are overwhelmed by the vast amount of information available to us, or if we'll be able to zen our way through it by growing as people and as a civilization by relying on tagging and higher order organization for our information. As of now, it's up to the next generation to plan how we will organize our information in the future and to grow accustomed to the new organization style that we've developed and to pass it on to their children, further changing the world. Weinberger is an excellent author. The book is filled with various examples, anecdotes, and just plain stories from when he was a businessman. The book is an engaging read. I finished it within several days, and I highly recommend it to anybody that wants to take a look at it. I found it very fitting to this class because he talks about many ideas that we've discussed in lecture, and because of the quick pace that the book reads at, I thought that this was probably the most apt book I could have done for this project.